Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I'm in my breakfast room and I've set the table for the autumn-fall season. I know not everyone has a formal dining room. Perhaps it's because of an open floor plan, maybe an apartment, or just lack of space. But even your kitchen table can be set in a beautiful way. This is my pumpkin and polka dots tablescape. I'm using polka dot china with lots of earth tones and of course pumpkins. So let's take a look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using my Hello Fall placemats. They have a vintage red truck hauling a load of pumpkins. I picked these up on clearance last year at Big Lots. And for the dishes, I have another thrift store find. I have these rust plates with polka dots. They've got green, red, plum, and gold polka dots. And with them, I'm pairing gold salad plates, for the glasses, I have these cute polka dot glasses. They've got green, red, and gold polka dots. And I have the matching polka dot mugs. For my flatware today, I'm going to be using my wood-handled flatware. I use it a lot for the fall season. I have polka dot dessert dishes. And for the napkins, I've doubled up an olive green with an autumn plaid. And the napkin rings have these cute little pumpkins on them. They make me think of candy corn pumpkins. For one last touch, I have a little pumpkin here to go in our dish. For the centerpiece, I've used one of my floral designs for my store, Rose Tree Interiors, and I've placed it in a pretty copper urn. And I've used grasses and berries, all in the pretty autumn tones. And I've perched a little robin here. I have a pumpkin pitcher. I've used a pair of wooden candlesticks that I've put rust candles in. Here at the back is a pumpkin cookie jar. I picked that up a few years ago at Walmart. And I haven't got out my turkeys yet, just my hens. This one is not old, it's a reproduction, but it's sort of this orange Marigold glass. I believe I got that at TJ Maxx or Marshall's a few years back. I have the matching little pumpkin dishes. They go with the cookie jar. They too came from Walmart. This is a cute pair of pumpkin salt and peppers. front corner I have a teapot that's a pumpkin. Now here's another hen. This is my red one. I believe this one is vintage, but I'm not for sure. There are a lot of reproductions of these, but I know for sure my green one is, because all my growing up, my grandmother kept her candy in it. I many times lifted up the lid on that and got out a coconut bonbon or a chocolate drop, so I know the green one is old. Here I've got an amber cake stand that I've put a pumpkin pie plate on. It says give thanks. Pillow there. And back on the pedestal I have my pumpkin tureen. And I've set a few pumpkins here. These I got last year of all things at Kroger's. I think faux pumpkins have come such a long way, so they look so real these days, but these will go out in the yard display soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy autumn season. Bye-bye now.